Operation Sindoor. Pakistan itself is terrorized by extremists. Pakistan itself become the target of extremists. How does the ones talking Pakistan view India's Operation Sindoor? This question must be rising in your mind as well. What is going in the mind of Pakistan, which is constantly threatening India? How does Pakistan view this? So you are not going to be surprised at all at Pakistan's viewpoint. The things that are going on in your mind that Pakistan will take this negative are exactly like this. Pakistan has not given any aggressive statement till now because its arrogance is gone. But on this action of India, it has said that India has killed innocent citizens of Pakistan. A meeting was held under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif, and after this National Security Committee meeting, a statement was issued by Pakistan in which it was said that there are no terrorist group in Pakistan. This claim of India is baseless. It also said that Pakistan and made a genuine copy for a credible, transparent and impartial investigation, which unfortunately was not accepted. Without providing any evidence of its claims, India went ahead and attacked innocent civilians to fulfill its political objectives. Pakistan's Foreign Ministry has said that Pakistan strongly condemned India's aggression, which is a violation of Pakistan's sovereignty, the United Nations Charter and international law. Pakistan reserves the right to respond appropriately to this aggression at a time and place of its own choosing in accordance with the right to self-defense given in Article 51 of the United Nations Charter. So far, I can confirm to you that 5 Indian aircraft, including 3 Rafales, 1 Su-30 and 1 MiG-29 and 1 Heron drone have also been shot down. Pakistani Army spokesman Lieutenant General Ahmad Sharif Chaudhry said in a video shared by news agency Reuters. Pakistan has reported 26 civilians killed and 46 injured in the Indian airstrike. At the same time, the number of civilians killed in cross-border fighting has risen to 10. Apart from this, 32 people have been injured. The Chinese Foreign Ministry said India and Pakistan are and will always remain neighbors of each other. They are also neighbors of China. China opposes all forms of terrorism. The ministry spokesperson has appealed to both countries to remain calm, exercise restraints, avoid such action that can further complicate the situation. The Israel ambassador posted on X, Israel supports India's right to self-defense. Terrorists should know that they have no place to hide to escape their heinous crimes against innocents. Pakistan's Defense Minister Khwaja Asif told BBC Urdu, "Look, they or India are claiming that they have targeted terrorists," he details. He said, "I would ask the international media to visit all the sites themselves and see whether these were terrorists, Hindu or civilian population." Pakistan's People's Party chairman